Alright, ignore the mess in the garage here, because it's a garage and I live here. But, you ever been working on something and you thought, I better fix that first before I go any further? It doesn't seem safe. I mean, with the bare wires and all, I think it's, well, no, there is cracks in both of the wires, so, yeah, maybe I shouldn't plug that in. So, here we go. I will tell you, like, you know, if you ever go to an auction, be careful. Those auctions will take every bit of your money, give you a bunch of stuff that don't work, and they don't even care. They do not care. And that's where this drill came from, is from an auction. And, well, when you go to an auction, you're supposed to go in there and think, I'm only going to buy the things that I need. This is what we're going to bid on. If it goes higher than what we're going to pay, then we just aren't going to buy it. Well, I had no intention on buying this, but who could turn it down for 10 bucks? I mean, look at it. Look at the contraption here. Yeah, I don't know if it works or not. I don't know if it's any good or not. It's probably not. But who could say no for 10 bucks? For $10. Can't even buy this much metal for $10. Barely, maybe. I don't know. So, I don't know if you've ever done one of these switches, but if you're ever doing wiring, don't ever take like the end of it, go find your wire pliers. Go find your wire strippers. Don't ever take the end of it in a pair of pliers and squeeze it and pull it, because you wind up not doing it right. It's not safe. Just don't do it. That's all there is to it. Alright. Well. Pretty simple. I know some of you might be saying, Ivan, where'd you get that nice electrical cord? That's a pretty good looking electrical cord. Looks like heavy duty. Well, I was looking around the house. I couldn't find anything, and my wife had a computer plugged into some strange electrical cord that had a switch on it and a bunch of plug-ins in it. I just used that one. So here we are. Truth will tell. Will she work? Ooh. $10 is well worth it. $10.